Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. WisdomTree is hiring for undergraduate intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. WisdomTree is an education consulting firm working with universities and edtechs from across the world to help them expand in Asia. Today we work with various boot camps across the world to integrate their programs with colleges, corporates, edtech players and improving outcomes for students. We are also running our own non-sponsored events in collaboration with Global Business School Network. We are looking for a graduate trainee for the 3 months rotation to support our new projects from US and other international markets. We presently have requirements for 2 roles. Business Development Intern, the role in depth, research opportunities for growth, building pipeline management, drive independently projects assigned and work with co-founder and the team, reporting and metrics for the engagement, support on strategic level. Second role is marketing intern, build marketing collateral for the sales and business development teams globally, assist with the design and execution of social media campaigns, responsible for global events, lead generation and inbound campaigns after analysis of sales leads, manage relationships with agencies for marketing, PR and alliance partners, manage our global events brand meaningful conversations. Now let's check the requirements. Candidates should possess the following: have a hands-on approach, entrepreneurship mindset. This is a new venture with risks, ability to manage the wins, the losses. A diligent work ethic, strong analytical, diligence and communication skills, exceptional written and oral communication skills, an internship in professional learning, consulting or BD, technology experience highly preferred, startup or business development experience will be considered as well. Preferably a graduate looking for experience pre-MBA. What's in for you? Base stipend, an opportunity to work with international leaders in education, exposure to CXO level executives and on-the-job learning. Let's get to know about WisdomTree. WisdomTree is a next-generation management consulting and advisory firm that is working with companies across multiple markets and verticals. Using a practical, grounded and research-oriented approach, we work for some of the largest companies, preparing them for change and new-age innovation, solving their most complex problems. We work on the ground with our clients to deliver super outcomes differentiated with practitioner expertise and actionable measures. This is the website of the WisdomTree. You can find the link in the description. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.